Hello, good morning. In a previous presentation, I introduced to you the on-site guide. Now, what I would like to just remind you is that the on-site guide has new versions, and you need to be aware of keeping up to date with those versions of the on-site guide. You'll find that they're quite useful. They contain a lot of information which allows you to do your job better and to become more proficient. Also, I showed you the IEE regulations or IET regulations, and you'll find that I have two as well. Now, there were a number of amendments made to the IEE /IET regulations, and those amendments constituted a reissuing of the IEE and IET regs. Now, again, you need to keep up to date with these regulations as there is an ongoing amendment situation, and I don't quite know what's going to happen just yet in regards to when the Brexit criteria kicks in and comes into place. Now, it is worth bearing in mind that all the IET standard, which is now, it may well change back to being the IEE regs, but that's the case. We'll have to wait and see. For me at this point in time, this is where I'm going to stop. Oh, just one more thing. I am a qualified electrician. I served an apprenticeship for 5 years. Now, my apprenticeship, I like to call them the real apprenticeships, because as you may know or may not know, that they did try to bring in 2-year apprenticeships, which didn't quite work. It didn't give you the tenacity and the knowledge you require. So today you're now doing a 4-year apprenticeships. Now, in reference to that, that is excellent, and that is good to see that they recognize that to be a tradesperson of any stature, you need to have knowledge with experience. Now, I also hold an ONC in electrical engineering. I hold an HNC in electronics, and I studied the BSc at Industrial Information Technology at honors degree, and I'm also a qualified teacher to teach in secondary education. I have a full teacher's reference number. Now, that's just a little bit about me, but I hope you found the other information I've provided in regards to the other presentations, and I'm trying to keep them sequential with an interjection of knowledge at a point in time. So again, thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.